all kiwi fruit are originally from East Asia. They all originate from, you can think roughly China is the main place, but many of the species are also found natively in the Korean Peninsula and in Japan. What's nice about kiwiberry, it's one of the few fruits that have sugar levels that are on par with wine grapes. If you get a fuzzy kiwi fruit in the store, you'll be lucky if it's 7 to 8% sugar. A kiwiberry, at least grown in our region, is routinely 20 to 25% sugar. So that's getting into wine grape territory. And it also has a real nice complexity of flavors, a nice acid balance, a lot of tropical flavors. So winemakers love it.
So do snackers really like kiwi berries just like fresh? Is that you could just kind of gobble them up fresh?
Yeah, absolutely. And what's wonderful about it is kids really love them. And you just pop it in your mouth like a grape. And the nutritional profile is off the chart. So it's this very nutrient dense food that is extremely yummy. I would not recommend growing plants from seed. More than half the plants are going to be male if you do that, which is a waste of your time and energy. And even of the females, maybe 1 to 2% may have fruit that's worth eating. So if you are a backyard gardener or just want to put a few vines in the ground, definitely source known cultivars rather than try to do something from seed. You want to pick the fruits when they're at about 8 bricks, 8% sugar. And you would do this with a very cheap handheld refractometer, just squeeze some juice on it and read the sugar level. These are fruits that birds don't touch, animals don't touch. It is well before you get into any danger at all. Harvest everything at 8 bricks, bring them inside. You can then store them in cold storage for at least 6 weeks. And then when you want to ripen them, just bring them out of cold storage at room temperature and they will ripen over a period of 5, 6, 7, 8 days. It does a lot of things for you. It gets out of the field before frost. It gets out of the field before things like spotted wing Drosophila and fruit fly issues. And so you can really, compared to other soft fruits, raspberries and strawberries, being able to get these fruits out of the field early is a big advantage. And we've done a lot of research here. We've looked at ripening characteristics of fruit on a vine versus fruit pulled at 8 bricks and ripened indoors. You have no benefit in terms of sugar levels that are achieved. And so there's only bad things happen by leaving them on for too long.